AV today can be complex, fragmented, built from disconnected parts that don't always behave as one. For decades, BSS has delivered audio processing excellence. Now, we're bringing that same level of performance to a broader portfolio. Introducing OMNI, expanding beyond audio processing into video, control, and beyond. Engineered as one system without the complexity. DSP, built for performance. Video, delivered with precision. USB, extended seamlessly. User interfaces for every application. One workflow across the entire system, seamlessly communicating with integrated control of your entire AV system. Every signal, every device, every space. Connected, aligned, unified. Compatible with existing systems. Scalable to meet any demand. No unnecessary complexity. BSS OMNI. Built to perform.